Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by safeguarding anything you might need later. Use TI Connect CE to copy programs and apps to your computer. Once done, make sure the CE is charged or connected so it won't die mid-process. Now press second then plus mem to open the memory menu. You're skipping fluff and going straight to reset. This gives you the choices you need to clear RAM, restore defaults, or wipe all user memory. Pick the right level for your goal. You now decide how deep the clear will go. Press 7 for reset, then read the options. Choose one to clear all RAM if you want to remove variables and temporary data but keep programs, or choose all memory to remove programs, apps, and settings. Make your selection, then press enter to confirm. The calculator will ask you to confirm again. This is to prevent accidental loss. Once you confirm, the device completes the operation quickly. Wait until the prompt returns before doing anything else. Finish by power cycling the calculator, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on, then check VARs and the memory screen to confirm the clear. If you backed up data, restore programs and apps using TI Connect CE and reinstall any needed applications. If something goes wrong, first charge the CE fully. Low power can block resets. If that doesn't help, update the OS with TI Connect CE, or remove and reseat the battery briefly before repeating the reset steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.